Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever used an AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini and asked it for something, but the answer you got was, well, just not very good? Maybe it was too simple, or wrong, or just completely missed the point. The problem probably isn't the AI. The problem is the instruction you gave it. Today, we're going to talk about the most important skill for using AI, prompt engineering. So what is it? Prompt engineering is the skill of carefully crafting your instructions, the prompt, to guide an AI to give you the exact response you want. Think of the AI as a super smart, very powerful assistant. But this assistant is also extremely literal. It will only do exactly what you tell it. If you give it a vague, lazy instruction, you'll get a vague, lazy answer. Let's look at an example. Imagine you need the AI to help you write an email to your team about a new project. A bad prompt, the way most people start, is just saying, if you give the AI this prompt, it has so many questions. What is the project? Who is the email for? What is the tone? What does the team need to do? The AI will have to guess, and it will give you a useless, generic email like this. That's useless, right? You can't send that. Now, let's see how a prompt engineer would do it. A good prompt gives the AI context, a role, and specific details. Look at the difference. We gave it a role, act as a project manager. We gave it a tone, professional and enthusiastic. We gave it an audience, the marketing team. And we gave it all the key information, the project name, the kickoff date, the main goal, and the next step. We left nothing to chance. And because we gave it a great prompt, we get a great result. Now that is an email you can copy, paste, and send in 30 seconds. That's the power of prompt engineering. You are guiding the AI to be the perfect tool for your specific task. So, the next time you're using AI, remember, give it a role, act as a, be specific, give it all the details, names, and numbers. Define a tone, sound friendly, be professional, write in a funny style. Set the goal. The goal of this email is to don't just give the AI a command. Give it a complete set of instructions. That's it for today. If you learned something new, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on how to use AI and technology. And leave a comment below. What's the best response you've ever gotten from an AI? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.